The location of the fuel pump relay in a 1986 to 1993 fuel-injected Fox Body Mustang depends on the year of the car. 1986 to 1991 cars had their relay underneath the driver's seat. It's attached to a metal bracket. 1992 cars were a split year, so the relay can either be located underneath the driver's seat or it's the relay closest to the strut tower underneath the mass air meter. If it's underneath the mass air meter, someone may have flip-flopped the location of this relay with the wide open throttle shutoff relay. You can verify the fuel pump relay by looking at the wire colors. There will be a red, light blue with orange stripe, pink with black stripe, and a dark green with yellow stripe. The easiest way to check is to look in the engine bay first before you remove the seat and see if there are two relays underneath the mass air meter. For 1993 cars, the fuel pump relay is also the relay closest to the strut tower, and the same rules apply that I just mentioned. To gain access to this relay, you'll need to disconnect the mass air meter electrical connection, loosen the clamp securing the inlet tube to the throttle body, loosen the clamp securing the mass air meter to the coupler, loosen and remove the two screws securing the mass air meter bracket to the strut tower, and then you can remove these components from the car. All right, fellas, we hope this simple video has helped you out. That's all we have for you today. So until we catch you in the next one, y'all know what to do. For all things Fox Body Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.